So you can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, so visit going, this is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Chennai Super Kings versus Mumbai Indians using our beautiful team generator software. So first of all we will analyze the data, and based on the data we will generate the Grand League winning teams. So the data will be the probable playing 11 from today for the today's match between CSK versus Mumbai Indians will be from CSK side. Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni, Sam Curran, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Lungi Giri from the CSK side. And from the Mumbai Indians side, Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Jayant Yadav, Nathan Coulter-Nile, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt will be the probable playing 11 from both the sides. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides. The top players from CSK will be Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ravindra Jadeja, Deepak Chahar and Sam Curran. And from the Mumbai Indians side, Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard and Trent Bolt will be the top players from both the sides. Especially Faf du Plessis and Ruturaj Gaikwad are in very good form, and also from Mumbai Indians, Quinton de Kock is in good touch in the previous match, and also Rohit Sharma is obviously a very great batsman, and also from Ravindra Jadeja is also in very good form. So let's analyze some few more data in order to generate the Grand Leagues. In the point of view of our software, let's analyze the captain potential players from both the sides. That means the players that we can keep them as a captain in our fantasy teams. So those players from CSK will be Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad and Moeen Ali will be the captain potential players from CSK side. And from the Mumbai Indians side, Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma and Suryakumar Yadav can be considered as a captain potential players from Mumbai Indians side. And also let's analyze the vice captain players also. Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ravindra Jadeja, Deepak Chahar and Sam Curran can be considered as a vice captain players from CSK side. Especially Deepak Chahar might take good wickets, and also Sam Curran also. And from the Mumbai Indians side, Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard and Trent Bolt can be considered as a vice captain potential players. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. It is just like more supported to batsmen because the average score will be 161 runs. So it is going to be a little bit favor to the batsman, and overall it is a balanced pitch. So we can expect anything around 320 plus runs out of 40 overs. So that means let's analyze some specific points in our in our software in order to generate the more accurate Grand League winning teams. So the points will be the credit range. The credit range will be total credit range will be 98.5 to 100 will be the ideal range for today's match, and also both CSK and Mumbai Indians are almost same. So you can favor CSK here or you can favor Mumbai Indians here, no problem at all. You can go, you can even go with 6 players from Mumbai Indians and 5 players from CSK, or even go with 7 players from Mumbai Indians and 4 players from CSK, and you can alter that because based on that which team is more stronger than which team, but actually at this particular time both CSK and Mumbai Indians are of same level. So after the toss we can determine which team is stronger than which team because based on the toss. And also let's analyze the match winning combinations. These are the combinations I think will definitely be the Grand League winning combinations. One is 1-4-2-4, that means 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 4 bowlers. And also 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. And also 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These are the 3 combinations, very important combinations. These are the combinations that I am not giving randomly. I have analyzed a lot of data in order to give these combinations. Actually because in the wicket keeper section only Dhoni and Quinton de Kock is there. So we need to go with the Quinton de Kock. No need to go with the MS Dhoni, even though he is a great batsman. According to the fantasy, Quinton de Kock have to be preferred more than MS Dhoni. So by using all the data that we have discussed, let's use our team generator software in order to generate the teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is a advanced team generating software which uses plenty of algorithms and techniques in order to generate the more accurate teams. And it supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, My Team 11 and My 11 Circle and other applications also. And those who want the software, those who want to know the details, you can contact me I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And so first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that generate teams. And after that we need to choose the fantasy that we are playing. Here cricket is what we are playing, and after that continue and choose the series. Here IPL is the series that we are going with, and continue. And there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. If they want the accurate teams, software will give you everything. That means captain selection, vice captain selection, strategies, everything will be given by the software. And this is the third section that we are going to use. It is a more powerful section, which is the advanced generation section. Click here. And after that we need to choose the teams. Here the match is in between Mumbai Indians versus CSK, and after that continue. You can give any match number, no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. That's why we need to give the match number in order to access those teams. After generating the teams, if you want to see the teams or if you want to see the results of generated teams, you need to use this match number. That's why I'm giving 270 as the match number. You can give any match number. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. And continue, and we need to select at least 6 players from each team. I have already given you the probable playing 11, and let's select all of them. Let me quickly select all the players. So these are the players from Mumbai Indians side. Let me quickly select these players. And from the CSK side also, let me quickly select the players. So these are the players from CSK side. Let me quickly select these guys. So these are the players from CSK side. After that continue, and here there is a fixed player section. Here in this section you can leave this section as it is, or whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every team. That means if you are very sure about that player, then only you need to select that player. Here Quinton de Kock is I am very sure about. Just you need to fix him. Quinton de Kock, definitely fix. You need to also fix him. And after that I have I think Trent Boult will take good wickets, and also Sam Curran also will take good wickets. That's why I'm fixing these guys. And also if you have trust, you can fix Faf du Plessis as well. That is completely up to you. And Rahul Chahar is also that I feel he will also take good wickets. That's why I'm fixing him. And I don't want to take risk on Rohit Sharma, because if he plays, that's good, but if he don't play, then most of the teams will fail. That's why you can take that. The risk factor is up to you. And after that click on continue, and after that select the players you want to consider for captain. Here I would like to consider Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock and Surya Kumar Yadav. And from the CSK side, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis and Moeen Ali. And after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So the captain, vice captain, it is just now we have selected for captain, now it is for vice captain. So let me quickly select the players. So these are the players from vice captain side. So after that continue, and we need to select the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy. Here it is very important. It is very important section. Here if you think CSK will play, then you need to select more players from CSK. If you think Mumbai Indians will win the match, you need to select more players from Mumbai Indians. I feel CSK will win the match. That's why I'm going to go with 7 players from CSK and 4 players from Mumbai Indians, as well as 6 players from CSK and 5 players from Mumbai Indians. And after that continue, and we need to select enter the team credit range. I have already given you the credit range of 98.5 to 100. And after that continue, and I have already given you the strategies you need to go with. These are the strategies. Let me quickly select them. 1 4 3 3. These are the 3 strategies I have given, and after that continue. And we need to select the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams, but 1 to 11 teams are completely fine in order to crack the grand leagues. So let me quickly give the 11 as the match number of teams. After that, generate teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. And those who want the software and can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and if you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.